Welcome to Feel Good Eats. Today we are making an egg lasagna. Instead of noodles, we're using egg white wraps. So I have one package of Egglife egg white wraps, and this is a good way to get an extra protein. One wrap, 5 grams of protein, 25 calories. And then for sauce, I'm using this brand. I love this brand. Cottage cheese. Meat, I'm using turkey meat, but you can use ground beef, whatever you have. And then a mixture of cheeses. I like to mix mozzarella and Colby Jack and then Parmesan as like a topping. You can choose your cheeses. So let's get into it.
First, I pour a little bit of marinara sauce in my 9x11 pan. This prevents the egg whites from sticking. I just am moving that around to coat the whole bottom of the pan. Next, I get out my egg white wraps and put them on a plate, and I'm cutting each egg wrap into 4 pieces. Continue to do this with all the egg wraps until they are cut into strips. Once that is all done, spray your pan with oil. I'm using avocado oil. Next, take your meat of choice and put it in a pan and start cooking that up. I like to cook my meat on medium heat. Start chopping the meat into small pieces, stirring occasionally until it's browned and no pink remains. This is about 10 minutes. Sprinkle with your favorite seasonings. I used Italian seasoning. And mix it all up. And now it's time to start layering your lasagna. So starting with the egg wraps, I put them side to side, pretty close to one another. I used about half the strips that I had cut. Once I'm done laying down one layer of egg wraps, I then go in with 1 cup of cottage cheese and spread that all around. Then I sprinkle 3/4 a cup of mozzarella cheese on top, and 3/4 a cup of Colby Jack cheese as well. Take half the meat and sprinkle it all over. Now we are starting the next layer, so lay down those egg wraps, spread the cottage cheese, add 3/4 a cup of mozzarella and 3/4 a cup Colby Jack, and the remaining meat. Now pour the whole jar of marinara sauce on top, spread that around, and then I like to add even more cheese on top. You can choose however much you want. I also like to add Parmesan. Now preheat your oven to 375. Now I like to put my lasagna on a cookie sheet just to prevent any messes in my oven. Once your oven is at 375, go ahead and put it in and bake for 45 minutes. And take it out when it's golden brown.
That is all for our healthy, high-protein lasagna that your family will love. If you want more recipes like this, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.